I'm Watermelon.
And I'm Olivia, and I'm a berry. So yay!
So guys, I paused the video because my face almost showed and I was asking how to say. Oh my Uy, sino yung murder? Who's the murder? I'm just gonna collect some pictures. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the murder is gone. Done nga! No! No, it's always.
Here,
Wait.
I'm Watermelon.
Okay, let's go to our.
I'll just call you Melon.
Let's go to my vacation. So guys, we're going to our vacation, and I'm gonna make a bucket. Okay, so come on, come on, come on. Come on, drive.
It's that now.
We need Amanda. She wants to be the orange one.
Amanda, can you be the orange one? Wait, can you play this here?
I'm just having a bad day. I'm just
Now I'm standing like a cardboard bed. Oh, now I believe I'm going up, down,
scared.
going.
First target is that.
Amanda,
Let's go, let's go.
hey, Rian, wanna team?
Yes.
I'll just hide here. I'll hide here.
The twist is we're gonna team. And after when I kill all the players, let's go dance.
Amanda, can you have this thing? Or you want this? Okay, I'll just give it to you. No! I want this thing.
Dang it, I need
No, because we're supposed, the cute squad's supposed to be cute.
wait, I'm a collector David, so it's each ball. I'm just wasting my time, hurry up. Okay.
Or I can be Santa. Rian, can you be Sprite and and Olivia will be Fanta? But where's Fanta? Rian, after you're done, leave first, okay? You need to be a Sprite. You're matching it and but it's too late. Oh, Rian already mixed the fruit squad. Amanda, can you be the orange? Can you be Fanta? Amanda, it's too late already. Can you beat the orange?
Olivia, where's the next person?
Wow. You guys have the fun? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's go! Let's go!
I can't
I'm
find
not
the next
just what phone do you wanna use? The Samsung or the
Please,
Amanda, the
the last person.
Samsung? Come on, Maria. The last one is the beauty from the bed.
Okay, bye guys.